what is it? From Newegg, cause on Amazon it said that it was supposed to be here. They were gonna have more in stock on the 26th, and I'm getting it off of Newegg because it's cheap. It's not cheaper, but they have it in stock already, so it'd be here on the 26th.
Mm.
So I'm doing that.
So two different companies?
Yeah.
Well, so what about Newegg? What about that shipping?
That shipping is still 2 day, and it should billing. And
This is the separate order for
it
Newegg.
it all looks good, and then you go to review,
And it says when it'll get here.
and then this summer, I do need a monitor, but I can use my TV for now. So I was gonna get a monitor that would work with it, and it'd work better than my TV. I'm gonna get that probably this summer
With some money.
with some more money.